the production operation, cross contamination is very critical, and we all must understand that what are the cross contaminations and how can we prevent it during the production operations. Contamination, what is contamination? The undesired introduction of impurities of a chemical or microbiological in nature or any foreign matter into or onto a starting material or intermediate bulk products during production, sampling, packaging or repackaging, storage or transportation. That is called contamination. What is cross contamination? The contamination of starting material, intermediate product or finished product with another starting material or products during the production. If two different type of material mixed together, it's called as a cross contamination. So this is the definition and difference between contamination and cross contamination. Now prevention of cross contamination. The common causes for contamination. We need to understand what are the causes, and then you can decide how can you contribute to prevent these contaminations while working in production of the product. Poor facility design layout. If your man movement and material movement is not appropriately designed, that will cause the contamination. Poor equipment design. If equipment is not designed to eliminate the residue of previous product, it is not smooth, and if it is reactive in nature, then that equipment will cause the contamination. Poor airflow concept and HVAC system. If airflow pattern is not defined appropriately, then in multi-product facility the cross contamination is bound to happen. So this is very important and critical part of HVAC system. Poor manufacturing processes. The processes which generates dust, gases, vapors, sprays or any organism need to be prevented so that contamination can be contained. Inadequate personal hygiene and clothing. If there is no appropriate procedures and training, that will cause the contamination. Inadequate cleaning processes. If processes are not defined appropriately and not validated, that will cause for the contamination. So these are the main causes for the contamination. The significance of this risk varies with the type of contaminant and a product being contaminated. So these are the one picture in which you can see the contamination and cross contamination, the contribution which I already discussed by the equipment design, by HVAC system, manufacturing processes, cleaning processes, personal and clothing, and facility design and layout. The next in the prevention of contamination, cross contamination in production, the design of facility, the air handling unit or heating, ventilation and air conditioning unit, which called as HVAC, and equipment is the first and crucial step in preventing the contamination and cross contamination. We need to understand HVAC system or AHU system are prone for cross contamination. Cross contamination shall be avoided by appropriate technical or organization measures such as those shown in the next slide. Here I will tell you that how manufacturing processes can prevent the contamination and personal and clothing. Campaign manufacturing with verified cleaning processes and checks performed in between the batches. This way we can prevent the cross contamination. If we have a procedure and we have a checks that if products are manufactured in a campaign basis and one campaign to other campaign, we have a adequate cleaning procedure in place, adequate verification in place. A specific provision for sampling, weighing, mixing and processing operations wherever dust is generated. We have to have a provision we can contain those dust generation process. which will prevent the cross contamination. Perform line clearance according to the procedure and appropriate checklist. We have to have a thorough checklist considering all checkpoints at the time of line clearance that will prevent the cross contamination. Cleaning status on all equipment and materials. Labeling is very important in pharmaceutical industry. Status label of the equipment, status label on the materials, that will prevent the cross contamination in production. If label is not appropriately mentioned, if equipment is dirty and label is cleaned, then you can understand what is going to happen. The batch will be manufactured in contaminated equipment, and that will cause the cross contamination with the previous product. Personnel and clothing. Trained operator supervisor who understand the good manufacturing practices and requirement for cleanliness and hygiene. So here we have to have a proper training and demonstration to the people. Entry, exit and gowning procedure. Always we have to use the clean gown at the time of entering into the facility where operations is carried out. Use of personal protective equipment as applicable without fail. Direct contact should be avoided. Very important. Between the operator and starting material or primary packaging material, API or finished product. Means we have to wear the gloves. If we have a gloves, that works as a barrier between human versus the product, that will not get contaminated. So these are the areas which prevent the cross contamination, which we need to understand and we need to focus.